What's going on, you guys? Thank you so much for joining me back on my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. Today, I'm actually in the 350z right now. I'm on my way over to the gas station and we are meeting my dad there. He's washing his car and I figured I'd wash my car too. He's already there, so I'm on my way there right now. And yeah, so this is gonna be pretty awesome. I don't think I've ever driven this car while he was driving his car. So like maybe we'll get a race or something here. I think his car's like twice as fast as mine, so I've never actually raced it though, so we'll have to see. I feel like we're gonna hold up well. I feel like we're gonna hold up well, but I don't know. So we're both manuals, so that's pretty cool. It's crazy his car's a manual. That's pretty insane. Like you never see him. It's like the rarest thing. Red Hawk Car Wash. Oh, I see him. Jeez, that's quite the line. There it is. Hey there. Cool. I'll just wait for him to finish. At least he got a spot. The line got really long just in the time I was driving over here. So I was actually here earlier and I washed my car. So I'm just waiting out here on the side. Alright, you guys, if you can believe it, my camera is about to die. I need to buy a second battery. I only have one battery and it's the worst. He said he would race me once, so... Jeez, that was pretty good. It's hard to get the RPM right. We're going a little fast. I need a head start. Okay. 3 seconds. No, not 1 second head start. All right. point when the valves open up on that thing, and I mean, it goes from being like kinda loud to just like extremely loud. And it's gotta be the coolest thing ever. It's gotta be the coolest thing. Dang, man. That car just sounds amazing. There's nothing like an Italian exotic, I'm telling you. Tuner cars are great. I mean, I love this thing because I could just, you know, beat the crap out of it, but I mean, there's something about that Ferrari that is just, it's insane. He's gonna get a video of me going by here in a second. Sweet. Woo! That was fun. Thanks, Dad, for coming out and banging through the gears for a little bit. All right, you guys, I just took the GoPro off. Look at what it does. It leaves a little squiggly on my forehead every single time I take it off. So I don't know who designed that. But anyways, thank you so much for my dad for coming out and making this video awesome. I didn't really know what I was gonna do today, so, you know, that's pretty cool. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have anything to say at all. I'm replying to everybody. And then if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of quarantine, and I need your assistance to do that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll see you all later. Peace out.